Hi, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing my second Rocksbox. I do think overall that the second Rocksbox was way better than the first. I do think the website is a little bit deceiving on the size because you have, they show the size on the website, but when it comes to you, it's much more smaller. So for instance, the pieces that I'm adding into my, the favorites, or just kind of the, I don't know, the queue, I guess you wanna call it, or my page of things I'd like to try, the sizes are very different once they reach you. So I don't know. The three pieces that I got, and I will put a picture up in one of these corners here just to remind you, but the pieces that I got a Kendra Scott necklace. I felt overall that that was a lot more sturdy than the necklace I had received previously in my first Rocksbox. It was just a little dainty piece. It was pretty, but I did not keep it. I ended up sending it back. No particular reason really, other than it just wasn't my style. The second piece that I got was a ring set. It was a Fallon ring set from Dusk, and it fit on my pinky finger. I mean, it was pretty, it was okay, but again, just not really my style or my taste. The bracelet, however, I really did like that. I felt like it was unique. I don't have anything like that in my jewelry pieces. It was the Ava Rose Cheyenne bracelet. I liked it. I ended up keeping that. So overall, I think that Rocksbox is, well, at least my second box was much better than my first, and I have decided to keep it at least for another month. So I will go ahead and put my sign up information down below. If you would like to try it out for yourself, you get the first month for free, and then I will get, I think it's a $25 credit. But not only do you get the first month for free, and this surprised me when I got it because I signed up using someone else's link, I got a $21 credit. So not only did I get the first, I didn't have to pay anything for the first month, I got a $21 credit to use towards my purchase. So that was kind of cool. Oh, and if you fill up your queue or your page with stuff that you like, I don't know, I think it said, if I remember correctly, you had like 24 hours to put a bunch of stuff on your page. I think it was 30, but I do not remember. Then you get $5 extra. So overall, I got $26 to spend or to use toward my first piece of jewelry, which I did. And so the Ava Rose bracelet, which would have normally cost me $55, only cost me $29. So that's my review for Rocksbox. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you guys have a great day. Bye.